Good day, everyone. Before starting your tractor, you should do always an inspection: oil level, fluid level, tire pressure, general condition, just a normal visual inspection. And then you start the engine, wait until it warm up, the engine oil, and then the hydrostatic oil also, the hydraulic oil. And then you can play with your tractor. And of course, wait about 4 or 5 minutes before climbing up the RPM. Make sure the oil is properly warm up so we can lubricate and protect your engine and also the hydraulic system. But when the job is done and you park it back into the garage, most of you guys just shut down the tractor, or I don't know what you do. But myself, what I do is I do a light cleanup. I do not clean it with water. I just put a rag, put oil on it, and I clean it generally everywhere just to see if something is good and if something is broken. All right. And one thing that I do myself is I clean the hydraulic cylinders. So before, what I do is I do a visual check on it, and I just put a rag like this. All right. I mean the hydraulic exposed when the tractor is not longer used. Like here, it's always exposed, so I do clean it, like all the dust on each side of the hydraulic. And for the backhoe itself, I always keep it everything. I close all the hydraulic except the one in the back. So what I do is I clean it also to remove all the dust. The reason why I clean it is the same reason that I do it when I used to work on aircraft, is to avoid putting too much dust or sand on the seal here. So clean it, and then I put just a light coat of oil for corrosion. For the light coat of oil, I do it during the winter time. All right, the winter time I don't have my rear backhoe; it's my snowblower. But on the front of the tractor, I do oil the front cylinder for the power steering, because it's a protection against wind, water. I don't have any salt here, but like you can see the angle. Look at the corner of the garage; so it's very straight, and I'm gonna that give you an angle of my driveway, and so that's why I have chain on my tractor, by the way. So just a thought. All right. It's very expensive, those cylinders, so I try to protect it the best as I can, and that's it. All right, cheers.